Hello guys, today we're going to play LEGO Star Wars Skywalker Saga. And my Tusken Raider comes to it and I'm destroying them. Wait, can I damage this? Oof. Yoda, I'm going to change to Yoda. Okay, I'm just going to change to Mace Windu.
Jedi Master has arrived.
Mace Windu turning to the dark side. Boom. Going to change my character to a bounty hunter. Also got Dengar. Also there's Boba Fett.
In need of a bounty hunter?
Oh,
I'm
no,
your
no.
man.
Very powerful weapon. So wait, player 1 is actually this. Now I'm going to be let's go. Defeat the Tusken Raiders. Wait, they actually have grenades. Why is your head like that? You can actually remove the helmets. Stun. I actually have upgraded my grenade to stun. Go, go, go. Take them out. Neutralize Tusken Raider village. Okay, that's all done. Want to become the total attack battalion.
Ready for my next mission.
Let's go. Jana from the last episode of Star
I had
Wars.
my own adventure.
Okay, uses bows. This is what the Ewoks use. Scavenger. Switch into Tusken Raider. Tusken Raider military protecting the Tusken Raider village from the clone troopers. What's our third character slot even though I have only 2 characters? Guess I'm just going to change Yoda. Okay, now I'm just going to change the First Order Flame Trooper. Let's go. I can actually do this. Okay, that's if you do this, you're going to make the Tusken Raiders Special Forces. Also, if you add in that, it's actually kind of the police force. Go, go, go. Don't realize the cut. I chose a net like this. And actually can track people. Also, the jetpack it's actually temporary. Temporarily, it's just a temporary flight time. Because if you fly too long, you will eventually fall to the ground if you're still in the air. Jawas. Utini! Take this. Neutralize the Jawas. Catch them with a net. They forgot only one person can have a glider. If you fly too long, you will actually fall. See?
Protocol droids do love a challenge. The most skilled interpreter I know is E3PO. I think he's still on Bespin these days.
I don't know if where's C-3PO. Come on, let's shoot this boy and sell them to the Jawas. The Jawas sell them to the people. Neutralize, neutralize. I actually really want a Jawa. Scoundrel. I think it's in the scoundrels. I don't know. Or they're not a playable character. It's actually lots of characters. Baby 9E, R2D2 Swamp, and Waiter. R4. R2. So there's RC, R2 series, R4 in the BB series. R series and the BB series. TC14 extra characters. And this is going to be a Stormtrooper now. Let's go. But I actually want to be Fibo first. Okay, I'm just going to end this at 10 minutes. So I only have a few more seconds till I turn this off. And that is that. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.